No, thank you. And I'd love to learn some tips from you in regard to your expertise, how you help people. So I'd love to again experience that from you. Three tips.
Yeah, definitely about relationship. As
Yeah.
you mentioned about joy, it sparked my memory about Marie Kondo. So she's the decluttering guru, very well known all over the world. So I will say number one is decluttering. Decluttering either your home or even in my case, files. Oh my God, my files, I'm so unorganized. My files are everywhere and everywhere. So now I'm slowly working with my virtual assistant to organize my files so then my headspace can be clearer, right? I get easily distracted. Being an
Yeah.
artist, it's just typical artist, we get distracted every second of the day, and we need some sort of structure. So therefore, I deep inside feel that decluttering can be a good start of anything, when you and your partner are together, but especially during lockdown mode. I mean, now it's eased, thank God. We have a bit more time to use on something useful. Why don't you declutter either your home or your files? And that can help your relationship because you become less stressed because your headspace become clearer. So number two, couples tend to say this without being aware. We talked about awareness before. The word always and the word never. You always forget to flush the toilet, for example, right?
Yeah.
Typical wives' complaints about the husband, right? And then the husband, you never leave me alone, you always tell me to do this and do that, when am I going to have my me time? All right. So the word always and the word never.
Interesting.
Because the honest truth is your husband will not just like always not flush the toilet. Sometimes it's bloody annoying, but they may do that sometimes, but not always. But the word, the energy behind the word always, it's so mean. So it's putting them down, right? Energetically. And the word never is it's the same thing. It's just one is one extreme, never is to the other extreme, right? You never treat me right. But hang on a minute, if you really analyze everything, well, he did treat you right, did he ever take you on a holiday, yes, he did. Actually, yeah, he did something right. So it's not never. Be careful on using those two words.
Good advice.
And number three,
good tips.
Is to have fun. To have fun. So you bring joy from decluttering, and then why don't we just have fun? Be silly with each other. You dance like nobody's watching. Go out now. Great thing that now we can go out again. Either run together or walk together or go to the park together. Just have fun. Tell funny stories, like what we are going to do next is tell our funny stories. So just very important to have fun.
I fully agree with that.